we go. Take cable, and I can hang all the feeders off of that, and then we'll see what the squirrels end up doing with it. Alright, I got my cable up. Got some more feeders up. Some little feeders I made. So, just a cheap cup I picked up at the Goodwill store. Here's another one. Yeah, I'm putting black sunflower seeds in them. So yeah, it's just a, like I said, it's a cheap cup, plastic stemware from Goodwill. And then I took a piece of 16th, I think it's 16th inch, stainless TIG wire. I got it at the welding shop. I bought a whole tube of it. I just cut a piece, heated the end up, stuck it right down in there. Seemed to work. And then I got my my tire swing. That's just a tire off an old two-wheel dolly. And then this is a tea kettle I found at Goodwill. They didn't have a lid for it. And then just the box. I went ahead and put this one up. This one's squirrel proof. So when they get on here, that shuts it and they can't get to the feed. So we'll see how that works. I just had to fill everything up over and clean me out. I can only fill them once a week though. I did get some more suet because I got some really big woodpeckers that are coming in here. So there you go. I got my cable up, the bird feeders up. I may make some more bird feeders. I'm not sure. I kind of like looking at this one here. This one here was an old light fixture, and then I took some 1/2 inch hardware cloth and the cord holding it through is a piece of extension cord. So I'm going to work on I'm going to go in and work on the headboard for the bus a little more. I've got it just about done. I got to put the door on the front, and I got a couple of lights with USB chargers that go on top. I got to get those mounted and wired, and then I'll be ready to carry it to the bus and bolt it in. Once it's bolted in, then I can jump to the foot of the bed. I'm not doing a lot there. When I come up with a board, it'll give me a little cubby in my garage area to put some tools and stuff. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. It'll help me out. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next week with another video. Have a good week.